In every critical system, protection is more than a feature. It's a necessity. SMARTCAB SAP4, a compact outdoor cabinet designed for energy, telecom, transport, and security applications. Versatile applications with a customizable design, designed in Europe, certified for confidence, built from high-quality materials, ready wherever performance matters most. Precision engineered with modular rails, integrated climate control, and certified IP55 protection, every detail is designed for durability, flexibility, and performance. Configure the cabinet to match your exact requirements, from size and mounting to climate control and accessories. With our configurator, customization is built in. From the edge of the grid to the heart of operations, trust PLP for solutions that perform, protect, and endure. Scan the QR code for detailed product information. Discover more on our website and be sure to follow us on our social media channels. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned as we shape the future of connectivity.